This video is going to show you how to update your RoboDot over the internet. First, we need to connect to the RoboDot access point. Once our device is connected, we can scan the QR code and go to the web UI. We're going to go to the settings page, and if it's not already set up, we're going to configure our office or home Wi-Fi. Select the SSID, type in a password, and then click Set. In this case, I already have mine set up. I'm just going to click Connect Now. Soon the RoboDot will connect to Linksys. I'm going to connect my device to Linksys as well. Now that both devices are on Linksys, I can scan the QR code and go to the web UI that's on the new network. Go back to the settings page, scroll down to the software update. RoboDot Touch is online, get updates, software update, and just wait a minute for the files to be downloaded and installed on the RoboDot. And that's how you do the software update.